Hello, my friends. Do you want to discover the secret behind their great taste? Join us on an adventure into the world of bell peppers, from green fields to trays full of love. Have you witnessed such a large-scale bell pepper harvest? In 2020, with the significant contribution of advanced technology, the global output of bell peppers reached an impressive figure of up to 36 million tons. This is not only an amazing achievement but also a testament to the progress and continuous efforts of the agricultural industry in meeting the food needs of today's world. Bell peppers are not only a constant source of inspiration for those who love cooking and enjoying food. You can transform it into countless attractive dishes, from refreshing salads to fragrant grilled dishes, giving family meals a special and attractive flavor. The characteristic spicy flavor of bell peppers stimulates taste buds and makes people pay attention and be fascinated. In hydroponic systems, bell peppers are often grown in environments suitable for plant growth, including systems that use limestone, bamboo panels, or containers. The controlled environment in the greenhouse allows for continuous production year-round, independent of external weather conditions. This is an important strength of greenhouse hydroponics, helping to ensure a consistent, high-quality output of bell peppers after each harvest. The process of harvesting bell peppers is not only a simple task but also a magical experience. The bell pepper harvesting machinery begins its work with determination and strength. When rows of bell peppers are ready to be harvested, machines will begin their journey by meticulously and accurately separating them from the plant. As the machines continue to work, the harvesting process becomes more brilliant and attractive than ever. Do you like to eat bell peppers? If so, please leave comment number 1. Now join me in entering a modern world where the power of robotic technology is discovered and applied to the bell pepper harvesting process. This is not only a technological advancement, but also a magical journey when people and machines blend to create an effective and optimal harvesting process. The robot arms are programmed to move flexibly and gently but still ensure maximum precision in harvesting each bell pepper. Once harvested, the bell peppers' journey continues as they are transported to large-scale grading facilities where they are prepared for distribution to markets around the world. From small farms to supermarkets, from Asia to Europe, the vast space of the world market awaits high-quality bell peppers, bringing with them fresh and attractive flavors. The preparation of bell peppers for distribution begins here, As human workers place bell peppers on a conveyor system for sorting, they are automatically weighed and gradually emptied to prevent damage to the bell peppers. Then, the bell peppers are fed into the sorting machine through different reserve conveyors. Using different conveyors speeds up the supply, ensuring a smooth and efficient flow of bell peppers through the processing line. As bell peppers move through the conveyor belts, they reach an important stage, the washing stage. This stage is extremely important as it ensures the cleanliness and safety of the bell peppers before they move further along the chain. In large-scale production facilities, the washing process is often performed in large sinks and through water spraying to ensure that the bell peppers are exposed to a complex system of running water. The washing process ensures that the bell peppers are thoroughly cleaned and ready for the next stages of processing. After the bell peppers are dried, they are moved on a conveyor belt to the quality inspection area. They check for size and shape as well as any signs of disease or pest damage. Any bell peppers that do not meet strict quality standards are removed from the line. Before your eyes is a modern machine, which is not just a simple chain, but a magical tool that turns large bell peppers into thin, regular slices, ready for processing. Every shake of it, every action of the mechanical arms, is an expression of technique and sophistication, bringing perfection to the final product. Next, they are moved to a new journey processing. After being cleaned and removed from seeds and other unnecessary parts, B4 is cut into thin pieces or fibers, depending on the final product requirements. Each step ensures the quality of the bell peppers. Then they are heated to ensure the flavors of the bell peppers are intact until the packaging step. Finally, after completing the processing process, bell pepper products will be packaged into sturdy and convenient packaging, ready to be shipped to stores and restaurants around the world. This process is not only a production process, but also a technical art, combining modernity and sophistication to create the most wonderful products from simple but potential materials of Mother Nature. Bell peppers are not only a nutritious fruit good for health and beauty, but also a dish loved by many people around the world. Their appeal comes not only from their eye-catching appearance but also from the special flavor they bring. In addition, bell peppers also can make special juice that is extremely good for health. The perfect combination of the unique flavor and nutritional benefits of bell peppers makes the juice a great choice to replenish nutrients and energy for the body. Banana peppers, one of the popular vegetables in American cuisine, not only serve as a familiar ingredient in many dishes but also bring distinct flavor and vitality to meals. From salads to pasta, from sandwiches to exquisite dishes, banana peppers always contribute to enhancing the flavor and color of each dish. When farmers want to take advantage of the fresh flavor of banana chili, they will wait until the fruit is ripe, red, yellow or orange in color with a richer sweetness, more attractive than green chili. However, if farmers intend to harvest bananas for seed, they will pick them when they are still green. At this stage, harvesting ensures the freshness and integrity of the seeds. When it's time to harvest, farmers often use tools such as scissors or knives to cut banana peppers off the plant. Pisco oranges, an emblem of Southern California in the United States, are a delectable and enticing fruit. With their small, round shape and distinctive orange-yellow color, Pisco oranges stand out with an exhilarating flavor profile, combining tangy, sweet, and aromatic notes. Typically, Pisco oranges are harvested from November to January of the following year, but the harvest season can extend until March. When ripe with a vibrant orange-yellow hue, Pisco oranges maintain their crispness and excellent flavor, offering a unique and enticing culinary experience. Before your eyes is a wonderful scene with farmers and modern machinery harvesting lettuce together. To have a bountiful and quick harvest like this requires meticulous cultivation and care. The processes are carried out rigorously, from selecting seeds to fertilizing. To ensure straight rows of spinach for easy harvesting, farmers also rely on supporting machinery during planting. Before I reveal to you why people harvest and grind corn, leave a number 1 to let me know you'll stick with me till the end of this video. Back to these two powerful machines, I'll explain to you that farmers in the United States are using harvesters to gather and grind young corn plants to use as feed for livestock. The designed harvesting blades look impressive. They seem like ruthless predators devouring innocent corn plants and spitting out fragments. This corn residue is taken back to the farm to ferment and then used as feed for cattle, sheep, goats, horses, and other livestock species. The rose harvesting process in the United States begins with identifying the appropriate harvest time, usually in the early morning or midday when the rose bushes are dry and not exposed to harsh sunlight. At this time, the roses are in full bloom. Then, the harvester will use specialized flower cutting tools to evenly cut each rose, trimming at the stem to avoid damaging the blooms. After harvesting, the roses are arranged in baskets or crates padded with cotton or leaves to prevent damage during transportation. A giant step forward in global agricultural technology. Before our eyes, an impressive scene opens: an apple harvesting robot. Advanced AI artificial intelligence is operating with unexpected precision and intelligence. With meticulously programmed robotic arms, just like human hands, each apple is harvested perfectly, without damage. The machine is designed to harvest apples quickly, efficiently, and with labor-saving benefits, providing economic advantages for apple producers. But does the use of the conveyor belt below really ensure that the apples won't be crushed when they fall? Next, Far Outlook will take you through the process of harvesting green grapes. With such a vigorous shaking method for harvesting, it's certain that the grapes are not intended for immediate consumption. This is the method used to harvest grapes for making juice and wine. You might find it amusing to watch this peculiar way of harvesting strawberries. The men are lying on their machines to pick each ripe strawberry. It's truly surprising to witness such vibrant pumpkin fields like this. And the farmers are operating their machinery to gather the pumpkins for harvest day. Oh, so this is how pumpkin seeds are made. Pumpkin seeds are a type of seed widely used in cuisine and medicine. They are oval-shaped, smooth, and have a milky white color. They have a unique flavor and provide many nutrients to the body. Research has also shown that pumpkin seeds can help reduce the risk of heart disease, stabilize blood sugar, and enhance the immune system.
These are the creative minds behind our content, the ideators and the video editors. If you don't like our content, leave your opinion in the comments section and we'll change it for the better.